What type of traveler are you? A heavy one or a lightweight? It is true with traveling, lighter is most definitely better. But packing too light could have you missing something or someone. Today, let's talk. Privacy is key in Asia, and Asia itself could not agree with me any less than me on this one, as there's a lot of restrictions to different websites and things you can access while you are in Asia. So my advice on this, I would download Avast. Covers your tablet, your phone, and your laptops. This isn't a sponsor thing. They're not paying me anything. I don't think they even like me, but I love you guys. Power adapters. Depending on where you go is really gonna depend on what type of a power adapter that you're gonna need. If you're coming out here to Southeast Asia, Japan, South Korea, really all you need is an American 2-prong outlet. Have the 3-prong to the 2-prong adapter. A lot of places don't accept that 3rd prong. Now, if you are going farther south, like Malaysia, you're going to need the big guy, the washing machine of the mall size adapter. If you do not have this adapter, my advice is just buy it here. You can buy them in Malaysia for like $1 or $2 for a basic one. In America, they're just way overpriced, so there's no point in buying it and bringing it. Portable storage is important. It doesn't matter if it's on the cloud or if it's USB, USB-C portable SSD drives. You need to have backup storage because as you travel, you just never have enough memory for all the pictures, the videos, whatever you're doing, you're gonna, for some reason, burn through terabytes of data. Stop packing notebooks, books, too many cameras, and then on top of all that, putting a phone. Now, if you have an iPhone already, you're pretty cool. And you already have everything I just said within that phone itself. And the benefit of it is it saves a lot of space. Most of all that stuff will just fit in your pocket. Now, if you do have an Android, Tinder in places like Southeast Asia isn't just a dating app. It's used for language exchange, finding friends. You'll find Western people that are just looking for other travel companions and more. And surprisingly, you'll also be able to find apartments and even jobs on Tinder in places like Vietnam and Thailand. A lot of agents use Tinder to advertise their business on here. So when you do get out here, use it. It's almost like a Facebook without all the prying eyes on you. And plus, if you get lucky, you might find a maid with a few benefits. Let's move on to the next one. What not to pack. Clothes. Stop overpacking for an entire month. Do not be that guy or girl that packs entire suitcase just dedicated to clothes. You can seriously buy an entire outfit in Asia for like $20, which is a whole lot cheaper than paying the $40 to $60 carry-on luggage fee at an airport. Just pack 2 or 3 days worth of clothes for the season that you're in, and when you get here, just go find a market, man. It's seriously like a Walmart on Black Friday every day in Asia. You can get a shirt for $1, a pair of shorts for $2, and some sandals or shoes for like $5. There's no reason to pack an entire suitcase, pay $50 at an airport, and then come here and not even wear 90% of it. Stop packing so damn much. Basic hygienic and toilet stuff. Just about 99% of this stuff you can buy here locally at a local market, a hole in the wall, and even at a bar or a restaurant. I have seriously seen videos on YouTube on how to pack 10 kilograms of toiletries and how to save space. Here's an awesome advice, and as part of the video, you don't gotta click on another one, just don't bring any of it. Do you really think people in Vietnam don't brush their teeth? Come on now. So let's go back to the clothes for a second. Just because I see this happen so much, it's out of control. When you do come out here, find out what season it is. Right now, it's rainy season. It's a little hot, but it's rainy season. So when I come here, I'm not gonna pack a bunch of fluffy jackets. Find out what the weather is like, where you're going, and pack for that. The amount of times I see people hiking around with their big bags on, holding a jacket when it's like 40 degrees outside is past me. And that's 40 Celsius, hot as hell. Plus, if you do get here and it becomes colder, just go buy something in a local market for a few dollars. You're welcome. And I want to apologize early to you ladies. This one's gonna bite. Stop packing so many damn shoes. There's no reason for it. As we've talked about clothes once again, and you're starting to see a pattern, you can buy clothes out here pretty damn cheap. These Converse, $5. My sandals, usually $1 or $2. Plus, when you're doing these tours, these hikes, yada, 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 you're probably gonna tear up your good shoes. So my advice, get 1 pair of running shoes, bring that to Asia. When you get here, then buy whatever else you need. A lot of these Airbnbs and hotels even provide sandals. So what are you buying them for? Stop packing so many damn shoes. Do not pack valuables. If you don't need it for the trip, my advice is just keep it at home. Plus, if you are out here, Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand, you can buy a lot of this stuff fake. So if you are a big jewelry guy, you can go get the next 50-cent chain at a local market for $5. It looks pretty gold, and it'll last you a couple weeks before it turns silver and your skin turns green. Hell, bring it back home and sell it to your friend or on eBay for a couple $100. Make a profit. I won't tell. So in all, just pack light. Bring what you must, leave home what you don't. Don't double pack things that are similar. And stop trying to pack an entire wardrobe. Airlines charge you $40 to $60 per bag. And stop bringing all that valuable stuff. Honestly, if you're coming to a developing country trying to impress people on how you look, you might want to just stay home and fix some other problems. because people out here really don't give a shit. And we can't even tell if it's real or fake. The Converse, they're fake. Till then, guys, I'll see you again.